Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how screen sharing works with Quick Assist on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a useful Windows feature that allows you to get remote assistance from another trusted person. First, click on the Start button. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Now click on Quick Assist to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, select the Help Someone option. After clicking Help Someone, Quick Assist may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. As you can see, the Microsoft sign-in page is displayed on the screen. For this tutorial, I'm not going to sign in or enter any personal account information. I'm only showing you where the Microsoft sign-in page appears. Normally, after signing in, Quick Assist can start a remote assistance session with another trusted person. During an active Quick Assist session, the assistant may be able to view or interact with the other computer, depending on the permissions and options available. This makes it possible to guide someone through a problem, troubleshoot an issue, or demonstrate a particular task remotely. Before sharing your screen, always make sure that you are connected with someone you know and trust. You should also close or hide any private information before starting a remote assistance session. For example, avoid displaying passwords, personal documents, banking information, or other sensitive data while your screen is being shared. In this demonstration, I'm not starting a real connection. I'm simply showing the Quick Assist screen and explaining how the screen sharing process works. So the basic steps are simple. Open Quick Assist, select Help Someone, sign in when required, and then follow the instructions to start a remote assistance session. And that's how screen sharing works with Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.